Assalamualaikum. Today I am making this sweet sattu drink. Is not just tasty, it's a natural cooler, high in protein, and gives you instant energy. Try it today. Protein rich, natural cooler. Energy booster. Great for digestion, provides long-lasting energy. Chickpeas 500 gram. Put all the chickpeas in a mixer and grind them finely. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Three tablespoons of powdered chickpeas. One tablespoon of icing sugar. Two glasses of chilled water. One bowl of ice. Black salt as taste. Beat the summer heat with this traditional and refreshing sweet sattu drink.